It's definitely a tsunami in your mouth. Okay, we're just driving into Wing Yip. Today we're gonna be making something Asian, and you can follow me and my wife Mally over there, and we'll be making something special for you guys to try.
No, for us to try.
Well, yeah, for us to try, but then it'll be for us to try and for you to try. They can try. They can try and cook it. Okay, come on, let's go. Right.
Six, 7, 8. It's gone bright red.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Following me? I think who is following me? I think I feel something following me. It's you.
Where are we going now?
No, we're going to pay now, yeah?
Okay, so today we've got fresh sea urchin. What we're going to do is a sea urchin carbonara. Okay, that's one sea urchin clean. What we do is we cut away at the middle, round the centre. If you watch it, then you'll see what I'm doing. Like we're at the seaside today. Let's give them a rinse. Sorry about the messy sink. Well, we'll just give them a rinse like that, and then we'll scoop them out and clean them. Right. Scoop them out and then clean them. Maybe a bigger spoon would have been better.
You want a bigger spoon?
Nah, don't mind.
How much do you buy this here?
This was £12.
For how many pieces?
6.
So £2 each?
Basically. I think there's a nice amount of uni.
Exactly.
Like
thinking.
really, if you have one nigiri they pick one sea urchin. So at £2, when you go to the shop, they're charging you like what, £12 a nigiri?
Well, depends which one you go.
This is a lovely looking sea urchin. And we clean off all the gunk.
Make sure you clean that, yeah? Don't leave it for me, yeah? I got evidence right now. Now we got a whole plate of sea urchin. It look amazing. I'm gonna try it right now with wasabi. You think I should use soy sauce?
No, just a little bit of wasabi. It's quite sweet.
Is it? I'm gonna use this orange. Oh, look amazingly good. Look amazingly good, this one. Yeah. Oh, it's delicious. Very, very good. Very good. Well, this is really good.
Is that all you can say? This is good. This is good. This is really, really good.
Yeah, it's very shocking. I'm gonna tell my family about that and tell him to open it by themselves.
Here's all the ingredients we need for what we're doing. Is we're experimenting. I'm Italian and my wife ain't Japanese, but we're gonna give it a Japanese twist, which we're gonna do a fusion carbonara, but no spaghetti. We're gonna use udon noodles. I'm gonna try and get this nice and creamy. We're gonna bit of pepper, a bit of Parmesan cheese, some double cream. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use the ground black pepper, so it's a bit thinner, not coarse. You don't want to get any of that crunch from a big peppercorn piece. So we've got 2 egg yolks here, and we're gonna grate some Parmesan cheese. That's gonna give it its saltiness, plus you're gonna get saltiness from the sea urchin. About 150 gram cheese,
I think so,
2 egg yolks, and we're gonna go with double cream, 100 ml. That's about 100 ml of cream. And we'll put a nice bit of pepper. You just really put as much pepper as you like, really. I'm going with about a teaspoon. I'm gonna chuck all them sea urchins in. Shall I have a little taste? Little taste. Wow, sweet, tastes like the ocean. To be honest, I feel it's a bit shame to put it into a carbonara.
Yeah.
But this is an experiment dish, so we're gonna give it a go. Bye. Ooh. Let's give it all a little mix up. We're gonna heat the noodles up. We're gonna work them in to the noodles so everything heats up but not overcook, because we don't want to scramble the eggs. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of butter. This is on a, like, it should be like a medium heat, but it seems to be sizzling away. We're gonna chuck the udons in to heat them up. All we want to do really is heat it up because it's already cooked. So, you know, really in theory this is a quick dish. All you have to do is clean the sea urchins, or you can buy already cleaned ones. Up to you. Oh, yeah, we lost the udon. Yeah, we're gonna put a lid on just so we get them nice and hot. Just for about a minute. If you're Japanese and watching this video and thinking, oh my God, what are you doing to them sea urchins? Well, you know, sometimes in life we just have to experiment, you know? Like me, I experimented. I married a Chinese girl. I don't know if you can put that on. I remember growing up, my parents said, marry an Italian girl. You know, they will cook, they will clean, do everything for you. But I think nowadays anyway, the modern women, they, you know, men have to cook, clean. It's equal, 50-50. Okay, nice and hot. Okay, they're nice and hot. Make sure the temperature now is really low. You don't want to scramble them eggs. Turn the heat off. Okay, let's chuck them in. Oops. Watch my YouTube channel, Domstyle, and if you like it, subscribe.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to film you.
You're gonna love that. Very umami.
Umami.
Umami. Wow. That just tastes like, we got them small sea urchins and we made a big dish, and the whole dish tastes of sea urchin. That is amazing.
Do you want to plate it up?
I don't know. I think I'm just gonna eat it in here. No, try it. Try that. What does it taste like? Tastes like you just got the sea urchins and made loads.
I think the aftertaste is, you feel the sea urchin, the aftertaste. In the beginning, you taste the Parmigiano. Then after, you feel the sea urchin.
So, and to make it look more Japanesey, taste more Japanese, what we're gonna use is these shredded seaweed leaves. Looks like grass. And we're just
very fine.
Yeah, very fine. And we're just gonna sprinkle a few on each one. And look at that. We're gonna eat this now. We can eat together.
we're not like that. We're not like that.
What do you mean we're not like that?
Normally we're not like that.
What, did 3 children just disappear?
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's not like that. But we don't like you know.
No, I like it, but she doesn't.
I don't like it. I don't.
So
like
if any of you wanna volunteer, well, definitely try this one.
I like it.
This won't take me long to finish.
Do you need a fork?
What's lovely is you still got nice chunks of
Sea urchin.
uni.
The camera thing,
Uni.
you know that?
Oh sure. So you still got nice chunks of uni.
And I like it like that.
Wow, that uni is so sweet, and we got that from Wing Yip. Wing Yip, we've got a little video of me picking them up.
Wow, this is so good.
Amazing. I think this video should be Domstyle cooking Asian food.
But you
Because-
cook everything.
Yeah, I know, but barbecue Asian. Dom.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Wow.
But you got your beef noodle soup coming yet, isn't it? You want to do it tonight or tomorrow?
Thumbs up if you like the video. Let us know if you try it. If you do, I'm sure you're going to enjoy it.
Tech Domstyle with the sea urchin.
To be honest, I wasn't expecting it to be that good.
I'm not a udon person myself, but this is good.
I think it fits into the whole the whole Japanese style,
Yeah,
you know.
definitely it's not Italian, isn't it?
Definitely not.
With seaweed, sea urchin.
Really, this dish costs no more than £15 for 2 people. That's
Still a lot.
what, £15 for 2 people to eat something as luxury as that?
Okay, if you count it that way, yes. If we have to go to the restaurant, it's not going to be this price.
I reckon if you're going to buy something like that in a restaurant, it would be £60 a plate. £50.
No, for £50 for 2.
Come on, we got a little sea urchin, £45 for a little.
True. No. They normally scoop up one sea urchin and put up on the other one. So it's 2 sea urchin they give it for you, and it's £50 last time.
£50.
Last
There you
time it
go.
was £50.
Ah,
That's true.
and this feels so much better value because every mouth you're getting tastes like sea urchin.
Yeah, but it's always, isn't it? Always when you cook it yourself. I would like to have a little bit more salt, but he like it natural. And you can't put too much cheese as well because you're gonna overpower him to cover the pasta and the sea urchin.
Wow. What is that flavour everyone says? You get
Umami.
umami. I always think,
think it's correct.
tsunami.
No, umami.
It's definitely a tsunami in your mouth. That's what I'm going to call this. This is a tsunami in your mouth. The flavours.
I'm so worried he says something silly.
So next, we've got beef noodle soup, Domstyle. See you soon. Like, subscribe, join me along this amazing journey of...
Cooking.
Yeah, but I'm gonna, you know what I feel like I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna pick stuff up in the supermarket, come home,
Oh, that's a good idea.
and make things up in maybe Italian dishes, Chinese style. And some original as well. Anyway,
Sorry, scary.
yeah. See you soon. It's Halloween. We got a Halloween dish,
Alright.
and we'll see you soon.
Okay, see ya.
Bye.